What's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration. This is my man Cerrone, the owner of C&C Towing. This is a 97 Mustang GT 5.4 on the Navigator motor. I just finished spraying it. That's why it's all open. Did the door jams. My man Harry come over, do a little bit of airbrush. That's the owner of the vehicle, C&C Towing and Recovery. That's how the Mustang looks. You can see the reflection, and I just finished spraying it. Still on, getting the fumes out. You can see how wet it is right out the gun. Door jam's done real nice. The car was green, then we primed it all gray once we did all the body work. My man Jimmy, a beast, my body man, repaired the roof. The roof was dented up real bad. He did the roof. Did a couple of spots here and there on it. It had a lot of little minor dings. They repaired those, especially on top of both fenders. I had someone else start the hood. An old body man of mine that used to be here, but Jimmy had to perfect it to get it right. What that is, that's a stock hood with the skin of another stock hood over it because he's got the Navigator motor. You can see right here how the hood looks. It still looks factory from the front. This is the spoiler that's going on the back. GT 5.4 airbrushed on both fenders because this was a 4.6 car, but with the Navigator motor now it's a 5.4. Y'all will see it. We're gonna bring another video when he picks it up, and then with him pulling off in it so y'all can see the power the vehicle has. Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration. This is how I paint. This is how I do. This is straight out the gun. We haven't even untaped it, and the car is still wet actually. 757-713-2277. Give me a call so we can make yours look the same way.